In this video, we will discuss about types of artificial intelligence. So the learning objectives we have today is introduction to term AI and types of artificial intelligence. Let's start with introduction to AI. We have already discussed so many times that what is artificial intelligence. So I will not take here much time and we just read the definition and will proceed ahead. So an AI language. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is the field of computer science that focuses on creating computer systems that retain the ability to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. In simple terms, artificial intelligence is method to teach the machine to be like a human and perform tasks as the human does. The example we have is that include working like a human, thinking like a human, reacting like a human, and even making a decision like a human on various situations. So in short, AI is the algorithm that make a machine being capable of taking its own decisions like a human does. Let's discuss the types of artificial intelligence. So we have 7 types of artificial intelligence and we will discuss one by one. So first we have narrow AI, then general AI, then super intelligence, then reactive AI, then limited memory, then theory of mind, and the last one is self-awareness. So the first one we have narrow AI. A narrow artificial intelligence that is known as weak AI defines a category of AI systems that are specifically built to demonstrate exceptional performance in an particular task or domain. Meaning that in this type of AI models are built to work in a specific domain. They don't have knowledge beyond their specific domain. They are just designed to perform what they have been designed for. If we expect the AI model to perform beyond their specific range of domain, then they are not capable of. So example, we have that facial recognition systems can scan thousands of faces in seconds, but they cannot understand the context of images or the emotions conveyed by the people in the images. So this is the narrow AI where AI model will scan thousands of faces in the image, but that model cannot understand that what kind of faces in that image is stored. Like this is the crying image, this is a laughing image, this is the emotion image. So here AI cannot understand that what kind of emotions are there in those images. So the another example we have on the basis of real life, that a doctor knows how to take care of an ill person and only engineer knows that how to build a house. But what if we exchange their work? So can a doctor then build a house, or can a engineer know how to take care of the person? No, they don't know, because they are bound to their knowledge. They have been trained according to their specific profession, and therefore they can work inside their domain. They cannot go beyond their range. So this is the practical example where only doctor knows how to take care of person, and only an engineer knows how to build the house. And if we exchange their work, they don't know anything. So this is how narrow AI works in the real life. The model is trained to work on a specific task inside their range. But if we expect the model to go beyond the range, then that model doesn't work. Let's proceed for the general AI. General AI, that is also known as strong AI. It is AI system that possesses the capacity to learn, acquire, and utilize information across a diverse array of tasks, similar to human abilities. It is a theoretical form of AI that is not yet possible to achieve. The victory of general AI continues to deal with large obstacles. General AI is not yet in the market, but what it holds is that exist of narrow artificial intelligence systems that exceed human abilities in the certain areas. So, in simple terms, general AI meaning that it is ready to learn, acquire, and utilize the information beyond its range. In it means that narrow AI was the AI that was built to work inside the domain, right? It cannot go beyond that domain. But general AI can learn outside its domain. It can learn, acquire, and even utilize those information in various fields. So we have the example here that in narrow AI, we had an AI model to recognize the image, right? But in the terms of general AI, we had the model that can scan the image as well as that can detect the faces expression as well. So this is what the general AI, which is in another word, one step further in the terms of narrow AI. Now we have the super intelligence. So it is stands for artificial super intelligence, ASI. Aims to be more intelligent than humans. It exceeds human intelligence and performs tasks better than a human. So the example we have, let's remind ourselves of a movie scene where we would have seen how rapidly upcoming technology, that is AI, is occupying people's desks and turning to eliminate people from jobs. So this is the AI that has always been aimed to exceed the human intelligence and trying to be smarter than the human. Now we have reactive AI. So it can respond to situations in real time, but it is unable to build memory or store information for the future. It means that in the life situation, whatever is happening, this AI model can react on those situations in the present time. But if we ask the AI model to react on the past incident, then it cannot because it doesn't have any memory to store the incidents or past experience that it has gone already. So the example we have that Netflix suggestions. Netflix recommendation engine is powered by machine learning algorithms that process data from the customer's viewing history to identify specific films and TV shows they will love. If you watch many Korean shows, then Netflix gonna show you the preview of upcoming releases on the homepage. So this is what the present life, whatever we are going through, this AI model is unable to react on that moment. But if we ask this AI model to react on the past moment, then it is not. The another one we have limited memory. So in this AI, the algorithm mimics how our brains work, which means it becomes better at its job as it gathers more information to improve its training. In simple terms, we can say AI can store knowledge and use it to learn and train for future tasks. So, did you notice the basic difference between reactive AI and limited memory is that reactive AI cannot store incidents and movements because it doesn't have memory for that. But limited memory has this option and therefore it can train its AI model to work on future tasks. So the example we have self-driving vehicles, how AI autonomous cars monitor other vehicles on the road to determine the speed they travel and their direction. The information is then programmed into an image of what the vehicle sees around it, like being aware of traffic signals, light curves, bumps, and curves on the road. Now the next we have theory of mind, that says AI that can sense, feel, and respond to human emotions, plus perform tasks based on human actions. So this is a kind of AI model that is capable of feeling and understanding the emotions and can respond based on those emotions. So we have here theory of mind is expected to develop shortly. Therefore, currently there are not any real life examples at present. What if it is being developed? Then the theory of mind, AI might be able to understand the world around us and how thoughts and emotions influence other creatures. This is in turn impacts their behavior concerning other people around them. So this AI is a kind of AI model that can sense the feel, that can understand the human emotions and can respond based on those human emotions and feelings. So the last one we have self-awareness. So this is the AI that can recognize others' emotions plus has a sense of self and human level intelligence, the final stage of AI. So this AI is model where the model is even self aware in itself, meaning that it can recognize human emotions as well as its own sense. So the AI machines will be beyond our control because they will not only be able to sense the feelings of others but will be having a sense of self as well. The example we have here, that I am hungry becomes I know I am hungry, or I want to eat an apple because it's my favorite food. So this is a kind of AI model where AI works by understanding the human emotions as well as it is self-aware by taking its own self feelings. So with this we have come to the conclusion that says from rule-based systems and expert systems to neural networks and genetic algorithms, there are different types of AI that can be used in various applications, including machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and decision-making systems. Understanding the different types of AI can help businesses and developers determine which systems are best suited for their needs and leverage their potential to transform industries. So thank you so much for watching this video. This video ends here. Have a great day.